Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to show your temperature on Snapchat. If you want to show your temperature on your Snapchat app or in your Snapchat pics, you just have to follow some steps. First, you have to open your mobile settings and here go to apps. In apps, look for Snapchat, tap on it and then find permissions, tap on permissions and here you just have to look for location. Here's that, tap on it and then tap on allow all the time, and after selecting this you just have to go back, open your Snapchat app, and Snapchat app you just have to take a picture as I'm going to take. Just tap on it. After taking a picture you just have to tap on the sticker icon, just tap here, and here you can easily get the option of temperature. Just select it and now you can add temperature on your snap anytime. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.